Hey, what's up guys? Adam here with a quick demo of the Nintendo 3DS camera. Now there's actually two different cameras on the Nintendo 3DS. There's first off the front-facing camera, which you see right there, and then there's a back-facing 3D camera, which also does take 2D images, but this is two sensors as you guys can see there. Now the 3DS camera application is accessed right here in the main screen. You can simply click on it and it will open up for you, or you can click the left and right shoulder buttons and it'll open as well from the home screen. Now as you guys can see here, this is the 3DS camera application. You have the actual camera up here where you can view through the sensors, and then you have all the controls on the bottom here. Now there's three different options for taking images. There's first off the left and right shoulder buttons, which I just mentioned, and you can also take photos with the A button. Now there's a few different effects with images as well. So for example, if I click onto here, there's camera mode, and you can actually access this by clicking this little red joystick. This little menu will open up, and there's three options here. The first one is the camera mode. So there's normal, there's merge, you also have dream, you have low light, and you have pinhole. And then another cool one is this question mark. This is a mystery mode, and when you take an image, it'll do a random effect with it. And there's the effect right there. Let's do one more. But you can see that it does random effects, and it's pretty cool, the mystery mode. Let's go ahead and jump into the second control here. This is a zoom, and as you guys can see here, it'll just zoom in the image a little bit. And finally, we have a timer. You can do a 3-second timer, a 10-second timer, or you can, for example, yell, and it'll take the image when you yell. So those are the effects. Now on to switching between the two cameras. You click this simple inner camera button right there, and now you guys can see me. And this is the front-facing camera. This is not a 3D camera. This one's only 2D, but the other one is 3D. And as you guys can see here, you can view your photos and you can do graffiti on them. Now, as you guys can see here, there's four different options for the graffiti. There's first off the pencil tool, and you have all these different pencils. You can, this is the rainbow one. Next up, you have stamp tool, and what's cool about the stamp tool is, for example, this is a dog paw. You click on it, and when you do the stamp, you guys actually hear that there's an effect, a sound effect. It's pretty cool. And then there's the eraser tool, and finally a 3D tool right here. This of course will not be able to really get shown in the 2D mode of this video. And then finally for the camera, there's the slideshow mode, which you can make a simple slideshow. It's not that tough to do this. You can choose your theme, and this one will only use pictures that were decorated. I only have two. And you can do a different theme, displaying photos in random order, displaying photos in chronological order, and you get the point. So there we go guys, that's just my quick demo of the 3DS camera. Altogether it's not that great quality, however it's really cool because it is a 3D camera. You get a really cool 3D effect while taking images with the back cameras. So there we go guys, thanks all for watching. Be sure to check out my Nintendo 3DS playlist for more videos regarding the device by clicking on the annotation on screen, and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter for exclusive content.